Children, I was telling about shoot system. See, shoot system is a part of the plant which is found above the soil. And this okay, children. See, we have two parts in a plant. One is above the soil, which is called shoot system, and below soil, which is in the soil, is called root system. So in that root, there is main root, which you call primary root. So from there, other parts of the other roots will divide. So that we call secondary roots. So the roots help for holding the plant very stiff. So that's why they are very strong enough and held by the roots and the soil. Okay. So stem is the part which supplies all food material, all the water minerals to the upper part. Okay. And even here leaves also they prepare the food. Whatever the food is prepared, they all is supplied to the other parts of the plant. And this we find leaves, flowers, fruits, buds, nodes and nodes. Here sometimes what happens, we don't know, most of us we eat leaves. We eat leaves, leafy vegetables we eat. But some of them are used as fruits, some of them are used as preparing vegetables, vegetable curry and all. But what parts we are using? Okay, sometimes we are eating roots also. Sometimes we are eating stem also. Okay, like you know, potato is a stem. Or if you say potato is a root. For example, like you take turnip. It is a root. It is found inside the soil. So that we take and use as food. Okay. Sometimes you know some of the different varieties of food we prepare by using flowers also. Okay. By using flour we prepare, we prepare the curry. By using fruits also we prepare what we don't prepare curry, we make fruit salads. Okay. Buds we don't use buds usually, very rarely we use. Okay. So almost all the parts, even stem also we are eating as a food. So what are the sources we get from the plant? We are using it as vegetables, and sometimes we are eating raw vegetables so that we will be healthy and strong enough. Okay. This is the food which prepares. See, for example, paddy is there. Paddy directly we don't get. We have to sow the seeds, and after a particular season we get the paddy in the form of brown color. So from that paddy we send to the factory, we remove the husk and we eat only the what? White colored one, which is called rice grain. But the husk is also used as food. So from husk we are able to get the oil. So some of the fruits, some of the plants like mustard oil, mustard plant is there. Okay. So this mustard plant, we eat only mustard oil only. We cook with the mustard oil. Okay. But mustard flowers, by using mustard flour and by mixing some spices and all, it is used as vegetable. It is used as vegetable curry. So like this, there are many foods, many plant parts. Like we use some of the roots as food, some of the stem as food, some of the leaves. Almost all. Like methi is there. Okay, spinach, palak is there. They all are leaves only. That we use as food because of maintaining health. The same way, whatever the food product we get, we are using it as raw material, and from here we are preparing the food from the plants. Okay, but what food we can get from the animals, we will try to find. You know oil seeds. I should tell about this oil seeds. Oil seeds. So oil seeds are helpful. See, suppose sunflower. Sunflower is a seed. So that's from sunflower seed we are able to get sunflower oil. groundnut. So from the groundnut we are able to get groundnut oil. Okay, and after extracting oil also, what are the parts remain? What are the which we call waste product? Actually, what are the parts of the plant remain after extracting oil? That is used as food for the animals. So what? Almost all the parts of the plants are used as food for human beings as well as animals. Okay. Then coming to animal, what animals? What they give us? They give us milk. They give us meat. They give us egg. I told they will give us oil also. Cod liver oil. Cod liver oil which you get from the what? Fish. So fishes will give, and this is medicinal. This will act as a medicine for many of the human beings. Cod liver oil is used as food. Okay. Even coconut also. I told coconut oil we are using. Some parts of the people, some part of the people like Keralites, they use coconut oil as cooking oil. We don't use. We use only sunflower oil or even mustard oil as cooking oil. But some of the part of our India, they use different seeds. Mustard oil. Mustard oil we don't use. Mustard only we use for as a spice for initial part of the cooking. But they use mustard oil as cooking oil in North India. Okay. So milk, egg, meat, and even most of the things we get from the animals as food. Okay. So, but to give all of this, actually what they need, how the plants, how we divide the animals. Okay. So I told about ingredients. Okay. I think I should tell about sprouted seeds also. I think already I have discussed once again. See, sprouted seeds nowadays they are very helpful. Earlier also they used to have, but you people like new generation people, you people don't think about sprouted seeds, because actually the sprouted seeds is nothing. It is the seeds which are soaked in the water, and afterwards they are tied in the white cloth, and they germinate. When germinate, you just add little salt and eat, it will be okay. It is very good for health. Otherwise you can little fry and eat. It is also good for health, and it can be eaten as snacks, sprouted seeds. Okay. So these all plants are available from the fields only. You should know, you should go to fields and find what type of fruits will get find from the which type of plants. And you should, that knowledge you should have. Okay, visiting your own field, if it is there, you can visit and you will come to know what food from where you get. Food grains, like for example, jowar, from where you will get. Okay. So now what food different animals eat and what they are called actually. Suppose in our home there is a cat. Okay. Usually cat what will give? You make you milk earlier. But if you leave like that only, it start eating what? It will eat some insects also. Okay. Or eat a dog also. What does it eat? It will eat whatever the food product you give. You give biscuit or even bread or even chapati. It will eat. Okay. And it will eat what? If it goes outside of your home, if any dog outside, then it will eat meat. If it is available, meat. It will eat. Okay. Suppose you take, there is buffalo. In your home there is a buffalo or there is a cow. So what food will you give for them? You give fodder or grass or you give grains. Correct? Whether it is cow or a buffalo. Okay. Suppose there is a tiger. Tiger will never eat fruits or even grass. It will not eat. It will eat only what? Meat. Lion. It never eats. It is a king. He is a king. King of the forest, jungle. He will die, but without eating grass he cannot live. He will not eat grass only. King will eat only meat. Okay. Like this. You take camel. What does camel eat? Camel eat only seeds and some other things. Seeds and food grains. Okay. What does parrot eat? Parrot eats only fruits. Okay. What does hen eats? Hen eats only grains. Okay. What will horse eat? Food grains. Okay. And what will sheep or goat eat? It will eat only food grain or grass. Food grain or grass. These also will eat food grain, grass, fodder. So grass, the sheep will eat grass, food grain or little fodder. See, here you find different animals are there. Variety of animals, different animals, cat, tiger, lion. You take elephant also. What does elephant eat? Elephant eat almost the food which we eat. They eat banana. They eat whatever food we eat, they also will eat. But difference is there. Elephant will not eat any non-veg. It will eat only the vegetarian food. So now you can find. Cat eats milk as well as insect also. Whatever food you give, it will eat and along with insect. Okay. Lion eats only meat, non-veg. Buffalo will eat only this. So for depending on the food what they eat, we have three categories of animals. One is the only grass eating or seeds eating or food grain eating animals. Okay. One is we have omnivore, okay, carnivore, herbivore. Okay. So it starts from down. Herbivores. Herb means what? Small plants. So generally, whichever animals feed or whichever elements lead their life, eat the only food which is available from the vegetables, plants. So plant eating animals are generally called herbivores. They eat only food grains or grass. Like is there, sheep is there, hen is there, parrot is there, camel is there. They all are called herbivores because they eat only plant product. Then carnivores, they eat only meat, non-veg they will eat. Chicken, mutton, whatever it is given, they will eat. They are purely non-vegetarian. Okay. Omnivores, they eat both non-veg as well as veg. For example, I told cat, dog. They are able to eat both flesh of the animals, flesh of the birds, flesh of the other animals, and along with whatever roti, chapati, biscuit, whatever it will give, they will eat. So these are the categories of. First you understood what is food, from where you get food product, and what food is good for our health, and what are the sources of food, animal source, plant source. Okay. Again, what are the food eating animals like omnivores, carnivores, herbivores. Okay. So this is generally your topic which you complete, and what are the questions I will give, you will prepare, write it thoroughly and practice them.